Sometimes it's handy in Excel, once you've applied data validation rules, that you ask Excel to circle those values that are currently in the list that do not match those rules. Excel will happily circle invalid data, which helps you easily identify those values that have to be corrected. For example, if I go to the Data tab in the ribbon and go to the Data Tools group and click the drop down on the Data Validation button, I can ask Excel to circle invalid data. In a few seconds, Excel will turn around and circle invalid data. In this particular case, we have more than 255 cells that contain invalid data, so it can only circle the first 255, and that's okay, so I'll click OK. Excel has proceeded to circle those values in this list that no longer match the rules applied by data validation. I can then find time to correct the data that is currently circled. If at any time I wish to remove the circles, I can go back to the Data Validation button, click its drop down, and ask Excel to clear the validation circles. Each day I would circle the invalid data until I finally reached a point where there was no data being circled because it was all corrected.